Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we are not unboxing, but we're doing a little review for these products from a company called Mix Easy. I decided, they did send these to me for review. I decided to do a dedicated video because this is a great option for people that have like special requirements for their skin. Like me, you guys know, if you watch my channel enough, you know I have really dry skin. I have dry hair. They make it really easy to kind of customize a product just for you. You get to name it, you go through the whole process, you get to add in all the stuff you want. So basically what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to walk you through step by step on their site, and I'm going to tell you my experience. I did personally order this. While they sent this to me for review, I went through the site, I chose everything in my products. I will tell you it is in each of my products as well. I vouch for this stuff. It's phenomenal. I love this idea. I think that this is really cool. I will link to them below. I have in my possession, now they have 4 products. So they have a face cleanser, which I don't have, a face moisturizer, a shampoo, and a conditioner. So I can say for the cleanser, it's a lot like the face cream, except it's obviously a cleanser. The prices that I have could be different based on what you select. I'm not sure if that's how it works because the products are different prices. Like the cleanser's $34 that I went through. And I was just clicking though the different ingredients. So those different ingredients may change, that may reflect in the price. So that's $34. And when you select the cleanser, you're gonna go, it's gonna give you like a scale. Do you want oily? Do you want dry? Or do you want a normal combo type for your base? And then from there, you're going to choose from you can choose up to 6 ingredients out of 30, about 30. Some of these things I've never heard of. I'll walk you through what I chose for each of mine in a moment, but I want to get you through how the process works. So after you choose those 6, you're going to choose your fragrance. They do have Sunlight Dance, Bamboo Cucumber, Fragrance Free, and Honey and Milk. I chose Sunlight Dance and Bamboo Cucumber, one for my shampoo and the other one for the face product. All right, and it's like that for all the products. So the face cleanser is $34. The face cream is $40. The selection is the same. The shampoo is $35. The selection is the same, except some of the ingredients are different, but there's about the same amount. So there's that. But there's also, when you select like your base, you choose from oily, colored, or normal, or dry. For everything, mine was dry. My base was dry because I'm a dry person. The conditioner is $34. Free shipping on $45 or more. Okay, so let's start with, I don't know. This smells like, I have trouble with this because it locks in. So here's the cream. I don't remember. I think this is Sunlight Dance. I think. And then this is, it has to be Bamboo Cucumber, which is these fun smells are a lot of fun. All right, so I love the cream though. It's just like so nice. It's lightweight. You can wear it all day. It's a great moisturizer. So let's go through this. I called mine Ashley's Hair Magic. So this is my shampoo. The base is dry. The fragrance was Bamboo and Cucumber. I was right. See that there? My key ingredients were Achillea extract, Dragon's Blood extract, Floral Nectar, which I just love that name, Chamomile extract, and on the site for each of these it tells you what each does. I could have written all that down, but that's going way in depth. I just would encourage you to go and look because it's lots of fun. Parsley extract and Magnolia Lily Flower extract. That was for my shampoo. And then we have the, oh, that's the face cream. We don't want to do that one yet. Ashley's Hair Magic Volume 2. For my conditioner, dry, Bamboo Cucumber, and then our ingredients are the same. Achillea extract, Dragon's Blood extract, Floral Nectar, Chamomile extract, Magnolia Lily Flower extract, and Damask Rose Flower extract. Oh, so there is a difference. This one has parsley. This one has rose. You guys know I love rose, so you ain't surprised. But I also love the packaging. Isn't it so pretty? All right, so our face cream here, this is like this is the star of the show in my opinion because I love skincare. You guys know that. So this, Ashley's special sauce, that's what I call this. I don't know why. This is for, it's the dry base, Sunlight Dance is the scent, which I would describe as a flowery, like floral light though, not too heavy. So in here we have echinacea extract, rosehip extract, calendula extract, achillea extract, cloudberry extract, and oats. So this is very, any formula I get is going to combat redness because I have redness. It's just, I'm always trying to not have dull skin because my skin can be dull because it's dry, and I want super moisturization. And I really like this. I think this is great. And you do have the option of choosing fragrance free. You don't have to get any fragrance. So that's for those people out there that don't like fragrance in their stuff. You don't have to get anything. And I think that's a great option as well. So if you are interested in trying to get something that's more customized for you, Mix Easy is definitely a great way to go. I will link to them down below so you can check them out. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.